Hey, if you're ready to learn some shines and be a salsa ninja, put your dance shoes on. Boom! What's going on, guys? Herman here. Welcome to another shine tutorial. Today we have a little short one. If you like it, leave it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials, and if you have any questions, post them down below. Enjoy, guys. Boom! Alright guys, let's jump right into it. Basic step, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna tap outside on 8, 5, 6, 7. Basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm gonna bring it inside like a whip. 1. So I'm gonna go A now, 1. A now, 1. A now, 1. Let me give you guys a view from the back. A now, 1. 5, 6, 7. A now, 1. 5, 6, 7. A now, 1. So I'm going to tap outside. 8. Then I'm going to bring it inside. 1. Then I'm going to step behind. 2. And I'm going to go outside. 3. Let's see that. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just repeated the step again. Let's see it again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to tap behind, 6, and I'm going to tap outside, 7. Let's see it again. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to repeat the exact same thing on the other side. I bring it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me give you a view from the front. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One last time, 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Tap and whip it in and step out and in and out and in, out. In and out and in, out. Last one, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now from here I am going to turn around into a right turn. 1, 2, 3, okay? 1, 2, 3, just a right turn. 1, 2, 3. I'm not putting the weight 2, 3, all the way on the left foot as I step on 2. 1, 2, I'm not doing this. I'm just staying on my right foot, tapping here on the left foot, and pivoting. So let's see it again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. From here I land on 4, kick on 5, land behind 6, 7, basic 1, 2, 3. Let's see that again. So I turn 1, 2, 3. I land here on 4 together. I kick on 5. I step behind on 6. I slide up on 7. I can even do a tap behind on 8. Tap. And then I'm back to the basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let me show you guys again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, step, slide up, tap behind, basic step. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Make sure you guys hear from the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic step 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that's it, guys. That's the whole shine. Let's see it again from the top. Let me go right through it and then we'll do it with music. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One last time here from the back. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And basic. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, guys, are you ready for music? Oh! Awesome job for making it all the way to the end of the video. I hope you love this shine and I hope you like this tutorials. Hey, listen, before you go, leave this video a thumbs up if you liked it, share with your friends, and subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. And one more thing, I have this platform called Latin Dance Movement /online where I'm putting all these tutorials, organizing them by difficulty, and also you can keep track of whichever lessons you've watched, so it's real easy and very convenient to use. If you want to learn more, go over there, latindancemovement.com /online. See you there. Until next time, guys, bam!